importance of the 30-day moving average. To determine where the current flows, one must know the riverbed structure. To determine the potential direction of the market, you have to understand market cycles. If you are not sure of the direction of the market by looking at the candlestick chart, the 30-day moving average, or SMA 30, will help. The 30-day moving average is considered as the line that indicates whether the market movement is strong or weak. When the exchange rate breaks through the 30-day moving average and finds support near it after a retest, it often means that a change in the direction of the midterm market trend is about to start. For example, in the daily chart of pound sterling to Canadian dollar in 2019, the downtrend for the exchange rate began to slow down and rebounded upward after a sharp decline, resulting in a breakthrough the SMA 30 at point B. After a test of support at the SMA 30, the exchange rate continued to rise for more than 3 months.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.